Hey, today I'm gonna show you how to make printable business card. You just need to go over here and you have two options, either to create one just like this. This one has a hole for NFC tag, or just one, what is basic one. Over here you can put a logo and here QR code. So I'm gonna fill it up real quick. And you can put the link over here. Over here you just need to click place the QR code. You can change the extrusion of it over here as well. And we can place your logo as well as SVG. You can change the width and the height of the logo if you want. You can put a border for QR code if you want. You just need to toggle this option and you can change the radius or just the extrusion. If you have it done, just click export in what file you want. When we get to the slicer, you just need to paint it and change few settings. After that, just change layer height. I would recommend 0.12. Change also the infill. Change the wall generator to Arachne because the logo is not gonna be visible if you don't change it. I'm gonna keep nozzle at 0.4 because I don't have any other nozzles, and you are set to go. Just slice it. It's gonna take us 36 minutes. If you found the website helpful, I would really appreciate like, subscribe and comment. See you!